Welcome to my blog, and this video is about data modeling. So let us define what is data modeling. Data modeling is the process of documenting a complex software system design as easily understood diagram, using text and symbols to present the way data needs to flow. The diagram can be used as a blueprint for the construction of new software or for re-engineering a legacy application. There are four types of approaches to data modeling. First is conceptual modeling. Identifies the highest level of relationships between different entities. Enterprise data modeling, similar to conceptual data modeling but addresses the unique requirement of a specific business. Third is logical data modeling. Illustrates the specific entities, attributes, and relationships involved in a business function. Serves as the basis for the creation of the physical data model. Physical data modeling represents an application and database-specific implementation of a logical data model. So there are three basic data modeling building blocks. First is the entities. Entity is anything such as person, place, thing, or event about which data are to be collected and stored. Entities may be physical objects such as customers or products, but entities may also be abstract such as flight routes or musical concepts. Second is the attributes. It is a characteristic of an entity. The attributes are the equivalent of fields in the file system. And lastly, the relationship. It describes an association among two or more entities. Why data models are important? Data models can facilitate interactions among the designer, the application programmer, and the end user. A well-developed data model can even foster improved understanding of the organization for which the database design is developed. Data models are a communication tool. Data models used to provide the means for building quality software in a predictable manner. So here's an example of an ER diagram about getting an ID. The student is mandatory to get the form and then fill up the form, which consists the name, the birthday, course, year, and the department. And after filling the form, he is mandatory to ask a USN number. After getting a USN number, he will take the picture and after taking the picture, he or she have an option to wait to get the ID faster or to set a schedule if he or she has another appointment after taking the pictorial.